All right, let's try another example of showing the same event sequence in multiple views. So here we go, sequence 2. Now we're going to start from a positive position, slowing down in the negative direction. Go to rest. Part 3 is moving in the negative direction at constant speed, and then finally speeding up in the negative direction. So I'm going to take my two views. The first is position view, and the second is velocity view. Again, this is position versus time. This is velocity versus time. And I'm going to break it up into 4 sections so that I have space for my 4 events. Okay, so here we go, starting with position view. Number 1, starting from a positive position. So I'm going to pick some number up here. It says slowing down in the negative direction. So I'm going to just draw a line here where the end of the first event is, and I'm going to slow down in the positive direction. That's a curve that results in flatness. Okay, then it says resting. So resting means constant position. This is section 2. Then section 3 says moving in the negative direction at constant speed. That would be like this. And then section 4 says speeding up in the positive direction. That's going to be curved, right? Section 4, speeding up in the positive direction. Now, by the way, since this doesn't give us exact position values, there's multiple ways that you can draw this as long as the shape is similar. So you could also show this starting at like a higher positive position and like curving down to here and then staying at rest and then moving in the negative direction at constant speed to here and then speeding up in the positive direction. You could even have sped up a little bit less in the positive direction. Okay, as long as the curves and the slopes are similar. All right, so let's try to show this same motion in velocity view. So now section 1, we've got these steep negative slopes becoming a shallow negative slope and ending at 0 slope. So I'm going to go ahead and put a 0 value here. And here, this is a steep negative slope. So I'm going to start with a large negative value. I'm going to go to here. Then in all of section 2, the slope is 0, right? Constant position, which means it's at rest. So resting means no velocity. Then in section 3, we have constantly negative slopes. So I need these negative values throughout here, but I've got to like accelerate to get to them. So I'm going to include a little line here. Remember, I can't go straight down, right? That's impossible. You can't be at multiple velocities at the same time. So in real life, there would have to be some sort of acceleration to get to that. Here's my sections. And then in section 4, I go now to a low positive slope to a very large positive slope. So I've got to get up to here quickly, to a low positive slope ending in a large positive slope. And that's going to be like this. Okay, this is section 4. Speeding up now in the positive direction. And that is how you show the same event sequence in position view and velocity view. Thanks for watching.